Imagine this, a smartphone with a massive 7,000 milliamp hour battery, lasting days on a single charge. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's exactly what Samsung fans were hoping for with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. But guess what? The dream might be over. A new leak has just dropped and it's shattering expectations. Stick around because this is a story of hope, disappointment, and a surprising twist you won't see coming. Earlier this week, the internet was buzzing with rumors that Samsung was planning something huge for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Reports claimed that Samsung would use a groundbreaking silicon carbon battery technology to pack a jaw-dropping 6,000 to 7,000 milliamp-hour battery into their 2026 flagship. Fans were ecstatic. I mean, who wouldn't want a phone that could last forever? But here's the thing. When something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Enter at @PandaFlashPro on X, the leaker who just dropped a bombshell. According to them, the Galaxy S26 Ultra's battery won't even come close to 7,000 milliamp hours. Instead, it's expected to have a maximum capacity of 5,500 milliamp hours, with a rated capacity of 5,396 milliamp hours. That's a huge difference from the original rumors. For Samsung fans, it's like waking up from a dream to find out you've been hitting the snooze button for too long. But before you start feeling too disappointed, let's put things into perspective. A 5,500 milliamp-hour battery is still a respectable 10% larger than the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery. And let's not forget, Samsung's current flagship already outperforms many rivals with larger batteries. So even with this downgraded capacity, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could still dominate the battery life charts. Now, let's talk about the other exciting features we've heard about so far. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to feature a next-gen Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, likely the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Its display is expected to be brighter and more efficient than ever, and it might even include an under-display camera for a truly seamless look. Oh, and the camera setup? It's getting a massive upgrade too, with a 200-megapixel periscope sensor replacing the current 50-megapixel unit. So, while the 7,000 milliamp-hour battery dream might be over, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still shaping up to be a powerhouse. With a larger battery, a cutting-edge processor, and a revolutionary camera system, it's clear that Samsung isn't holding back. What do you think about these leaks? Are you still excited for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, or is the battery news a deal-breaker for you? Let us know in the comments below. Text on screen. Stay tuned for more updates. Hopeful Tone. Forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.